Hey guys, what's up? So this video is going to be pretty quick. Um, if you guys are already a part of my Telegram group, you would know what I mean. But just real quick to follow up on all our trade setups that we analyzed last week. Um, we had Euro AUD um, on the 4 hour last week. We were waiting for the price to retrace to the area of interest and retest this round psychological 165 500 to then sell. And as you guys can see, it did not retrace all the way, so we did not take this trade. Okay, GBP USD, we were waiting on the price to retrace to this area of interest. As you guys can see, my arrow. The price never retraced. We never entered any trades on this. AUD USD, same thing. The price never retraced. We did not enter any trades. GBP CAD literally just went the opposite direction, and we did not take any trades. Euro CAD was a little choppy. As you guys can see, it was kind of consolidating around the round psychological 148 500. So we did not really take any trades. As you guys can see, it's kind of being choppy on the 4 hour as well. It's going up and down, up and down, up and now down. So we didn't really take any trades on this as well. Euro USD, same as GBP USD. It did retrace to the area of interest, but it just, I just wasn't feeling it. Like the price action was not really ideal, to be honest. So, in conjunction with the EMAs and all and everything. So I didn't end up taking this trade as well. AUD as you guys know from my last video, we were waiting on the price to retrace to this round psychological to then enter into longs, but the price never stayed at this area of interest, never held it, and it just blew through the round psychological 96,000. Hence, we did not take any trades. That's why I said it in the beginning of the video. This video is going to be pretty quick because we did not end up taking any trades this week. And stay tuned for next week. If you guys have already If you guys have not joined my Telegram group already, I highly suggest you to subscribe to my Telegram group because I share my A plus high quality trade signals in my Telegram group. And yep, this is the video for this week. And I guess, guys, I will not be posting the weekly trade setups every week now, since because most of the time I end up not taking any trades, and hence it's a waste of time for you guys as well as for myself. So what I'll be doing from now on, I'll be posting only and only the trade breakdowns of the trades that I would be taking in the future. And of course, I'll still be sharing my trade signals, exact entries, take profits, and stop losses exactly as I take them. So stay tuned on my Telegram group, and I'll see you guys pretty soon next week. Okay, bye bye.